Okay, hi everyone, welcome to this video today. We're going to talk about comparatives and superlatives. So comparatives, making comparisons, and superlatives. So first we're going to look at what is a comparative, what is a superlative, some examples, some rules, some advice, techniques to help learn, and then I'll give some more examples about me, about my family, about my country. Let's have a look. Okay, so introduction, comparatives. So obviously we use a comparative to compare two things using an adjective. For example, big. An elephant is bigger than a mouse. Here you can see comparative. We have the verb to be is, big becomes bigger than, and mouse. Okay, so with comparatives we always have to use this word. It's very important we use this word, than. Okay, an elephant is bigger than a mouse. I am taller than my mother. Okay, so it's very important. First thing, we always use this word than. Next thing, okay, when we're making comparatives, you saw the example there, bigger, taller. We add er to the end of the adjective if the adjective is one or two syllables. Okay, so shorter adjectives. So big, bigger. Tall, taller. Clever, two syllables. Clever, cleverer. Old, older. Young, younger. Another example of an adjective with two syllables could be easy, easy, easier. So we add this er if it's one or two syllables. If it's three syllables or more than three, beautiful, intelligent, then we use more and the adjective. Okay, so my sister is more beautiful than me. Yeah. So one or two syllables, we add er. Three or more, we say more plus the adjective. More beautiful, more intelligent. Okay, now let's look at superlatives. So with superlatives, remember with comparatives, we used than. Yeah? With superlatives, we don't use than. We use the plus the adjective. So again, the rule is the same. One or two syllables, we add est. For example, big, we saw big, bigger, comparative, biggest, superlative, tall, taller, tallest, clever, cleverer, cleverer, cleverest, old, older, oldest, young, younger, youngest. So one or two syllables, add est. If the adjective is three or more syllables, like beautiful, intelligent, difficult, comfortable, then we use most plus the adjective. So the example we have here, Albert Einstein was the most intelligent person in the world. Or another example you can see here, a cat is bigger than a mouse, comparative, but an elephant is the biggest of the three animals. So a comparative and then a superlative. So there's some rules for spelling that we can look at. So first rule, if the adjective ends in the E, like nice, safe, large, For comparatives, when we add that ER, we just add the R. It's not EER, just R. Nice, nicer, safe, safer, large, larger. Now sometimes we have to double the final consonant. We saw this with big, becomes bigger with two G's. Wet, wetter with two T's. Flat, flatter. This is because the pattern is consonant, vowel, consonant. Like consonant, B, vowel, I, consonant, G, consonant, W, vowel, E, consonant, T. So if you see this pattern, we have to double the final consonant. Also, if the adjective ends in a consonant and a Y, like easy, funny, pretty, we change it to from Y to IER. And all other adjectives, we add the ER as normal. Tall, taller, soft, softer, loud, louder. Okay, for superlatives, it's the same rule. Okay, so if it ends in an E, we just add the ST, not EST, just ST. Nice, nicest. If we have this consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, consonant, vowel, consonant, we do the double letter again. Biggest, wettest, flattest. Again, if it ends in a Y, like easy or funny or pretty, we change to IEST, easiest. And, of course, for any others, we just add EST. Okay, so let's just check a review of those. Comparatives, one or two syllables. Comparatives, we always use than, adjective, and than. So, one or two syllables, ER, taller than. Three or more plus the adjective, more intelligent than. Superlatives, one or two syllables, EST. Tall, the tallest. Remember with superlatives, we have to use the and the adjective. The tallest or the most intelligent. Okay, so first activity for you. Make these adjectives into their comparative and superlative form. Okay, so for example, tall, change to taller and tallest. So here are all the other ones. I want you to change it into the comparative form, taller, and the superlative form, tallest, for all of these here. And you've got about 7 minutes to do that, so you can pause the activity and pause the video and do the activity. Okay, let's look at those solutions to activity 1. So of course we had tall, taller, tallest, big, bigger, biggest. Remember, double letter. Funny, funnier, funniest. IER, IEST. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Handsome, handsomer, handsomest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Dry, drier, driest. Old, older, oldest. And young, younger, youngest. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. Silly, sillier, and silliest. And serious, more serious, 3 syllables, serious, and most serious. Okay, I'm going to give you some example sentences now about my family using comparatives, using superlatives. So this is me, my brother, my sister, and me. This is me in the middle. Sister and brother. Okay, so I am older than my sister. My brother is the oldest. I am younger than my brother, but my sister is the youngest. My hair is blonder than my brother's hair, but my sister, her hair is the blondest. In the past, my brother was taller than me. Now I am the tallest. Okay, some more examples about my family. This time, here's my parents. So my dad is shorter than me, but my mum is the shortest. Short, the opposite of tall. My mum, is older than me, but my dad is the oldest. And I am the tallest. In the past, my dad was taller than me. He was the tallest. And my mum is the most intelligent. Okay, now I'm going to talk about some places in the UK using comparatives, superlatives. So for example, the average temperature in London is hotter than the average temperature in Edinburgh in Scotland. Wales is wetter than England. Scotland is colder than Wales. Manchester is bigger than Oxford, but London is the biggest. The hottest place in the UK is Cambridge. That was 38.7 degrees in 2019. The coldest place in the UK is Braemar in Scotland. That was minus 27.2. This was in 1982. The wettest place in the UK is Seathwaite. It has 3,500 millimeters of rain every year. And the driest place is St. Osyth. They just have 500 millimeters. Here you can see Cambridge in the summer. It's very hot. It's not always 38 degrees, but this time it was. Okay, so for the second activity, I want you to write 3 sentences that are comparatives and 3 sentences that are superlatives about a topic, such as your family or your city or food, animals, can be anything. Okay, so again, about 7 minutes, and that's the final activity. So when you finish this activity, it's back to Rocio. So thanks for listening, everyone. Thank you, and good work.